Welcome to this Canva tutorial on how to cut out quickly. With Canva Pro, cutting out images becomes a breeze. Let's use this image as an example. Drag the image into the design page. Click on the image and choose Edit. Use the BG Remover tool to instantly remove the background. You can refine the cutout by erasing or restoring parts of the image. Adjust the size and position of the cutout to fit your design perfectly. That's it! You've successfully cut out the subject and removed the background in Canva. Experiment with different images and enjoy creating stunning designs effortlessly. Thank you for watching.